thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And so the intent and purpose behind this video, a lot of thought went in. I thought maybe since it's Diwali time, it's festive time, I should do a makeup video, a makeup tutorial for Diwali. And then it occurred to me, you know what, you're already going to have a lot of options to see that and scout through. So also I'm not very pro at makeup. I mean, the way I do it is absolutely different from how all YouTubers would go about it. So instead I thought, let me give you little tips and tricks on a topic that is completely different and still makeup related. We're going to be talking about how to make up our eyes and how to make sure that they are bright and beautiful, and you know, how to glam them up without using an eyeliner. So if that's something that interests you, then stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so I know as an Indian girl, a kajal is as next to breathing. I know that, but not everyone likes a kajal or a black eye pencil. I myself don't like it a lot. So then how do we go about it? So many times I even hear friends and other girls saying that if I don't wear a kajal, it makes me look sick, or it makes me feel naked, or it feels like I haven't, I don't look put together, and all of those things. And eyes are more often than not our most beautiful asset, and why not work on them and make sure that they are looking spectacular at all times. So but if you don't have a kajal, or if you don't want to use it, or if you just want to, you know, try something different without a kajal, then here are some tips and tricks that you can do to make sure your eyes still look beautiful. Tip number one is to tight line. Now what is tight lining? Is that you take your kajal pencil or a black brown pencil, and instead of applying it on your lower waterline, you apply it near your lashes. So what that makes is that it does give your eye that definition, and it gives the appearance of your lashes being denser and fuller, hence making the eyes look beautiful. Don't want to apply a black kajal pencil? No worries. Make sure to add dollops of mascara, and that should do the trick. If you want to skip that too, that's my tip number two, that you want to add dollops of mascara to the upper and the lower lashes. It gives a beautiful doe-eyed look. If you don't want to do that too, if you're someone who feels like mascara is not your cup of tea, or that, you know, you don't know how to go about it, if all else fails, or if you just don't want to go about it, don't wear the mascara, that's fine, but do use a clamper, and that will still open up your eyes and make them look bigger up and wider and full of life. Tip number three is skip the black eyeliner or skip the black kajal and opt for a nude or a white stick. Now what this is going to do on your lower line is that it's going to make your eye white, it's going to make it look whiter, thereby giving it a brighter look, and that's how it's going to make your eyes look beautiful. Tip number four is that you want to add some glitter to your eyeshadow. Now you needn't go the whole cut crease business too long, but a little bit of eyeshadow, glitter eyeshadow, goes a long way. I'm going to use a little golden over here, and it's still going to bring attention to your eyes. Sorry about that. And that's how much time did it take? Less than 30 seconds. And you're good to go, you're all dolled up, and you needn't even wear a black kajal. Okay, the next tip is to not forget about your eyebrows. They definitely are a defining and it definitely attracts attention to your eyes. So if you have sparse eyebrows, you have uneven eyebrows, then you want to use an an eyebrow pencil and you know, draw them out, darken them a bit, and make sure that they draw attention to your eyes. So even if you're not using an eye pencil, make sure that to use an eyebrow pencil, and they will definitely make sure that your eyes look you know, they turn out to be the defining factor of your face. Okay, last is for someone who is pro at makeup, or someone who has the time and wants to spend the energy and you know, knows how to go about it. You want to draw attention to the center of your face. So you want to make sure that you want to highlight and brighten this area. How do you want to go about it? There are all YouTubers, makeup tutorial YouTubers, who go on drawing that little triangle of you know, highlighting product under their eyes, and they will contour it here, and there's an inverted triangle here. So yes, that does work. So try doing that. Make sure to do it at home first before you step out, in case you're not used to it. And if you want a tutorial on that, do let me know. I'm not too fond of it, you know, I'm not too fond of too many things on my face, but that's a trick that does definitely work to draw attention to the center of your face, thereby defining your eyes. So these are my tips and tricks to make sure that your eyes look defined, big, bright, beautiful, and you know, that should help you with your Diwali makeup. So that's it from my end. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a Saal Mubarak to all my subscribers. Thank you, it's been a wonderful year. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you like this video. As usual, I'm going to tell you to share, comment, subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up. This is me, Manjari, again wishing you a very happy Diwali and